Hi everyone. Welcome back to Worth to Buy It, the channel where you get accurate information about top seller products and their online review data so you can make informed purchases. Today's video is giving you some gadget gift ideas for him. We are often wondering what gift to buy for someone dear. Gifting is hard for some people. And it's nice to get some gift ideas and gifting tips so you can really make an impression with your gift. Here we go. Make sure you watch the video until the end to discover these 5 amazing gadgets that are worth buying to be gifted. When we selected these 5 gadgets suitable for gift ideas, we took into consideration their seller ranking on Amazon, review rating and number of reviews. This way we ensured we'll give you advice on high-quality products that are actually worth buying. Before we start with the presentation of our 5 gadgets that are worth buying, please make sure you hit the like button for this video. It really means a lot to us. The first gift idea for men is the LED flashlight gloves. With the LED flashlight gloves on, it is like having a helping hand to hold a flashlight for you while working in dark tight spaces or doing outdoor activities at night. These gloves are a great gift idea for men. They will be useful for handymen, do-it-yourselfer, car lover, electrician, engineer, or mechanics when work, fix, repair, assemble needing extra light. The lighted gloves are also helpful for night fishing or for outdoor running, camping, hiking, dog walking, and other night activities. The elastic fingerless gloves fit snugly for most adult. The adjustable wrist strap helps secure the gloves. The product we selected to review comes in 2 variants, with rechargeable batteries or with replaceable batteries. The price for the gadget starts from $15.99 for the version with replaceable batteries and from $19.99 for the version with rechargeable batteries. Let's check out this gadget reviews. The LED flashlight gloves has a review score of 4.5 out of 5 stars from 2,818 ratings. Now, are you ready for the second gadget gift idea for men? Presenting the Bluetooth headphone hat or cap for men. This is a cool gift for him, a Bluetooth music hat for outdoor sports. This baseball cap allows you to listen to your music without having to wear additional headphones. Perfect suitable for fishing, running, skateboarding or any other outdoor activities. This wireless music hat pairs with any Bluetooth-enabled smartphone or tablet devices quick and easy. It comes with a 45 feet wireless range and provides up to 6 hours of playing music or talking and has a 48 hours standby time. The hat has HD high-fidelity sound for great sound quality. The simple panel display on the ear of the Bluetooth wireless hat has 3 prompt buttons with basic controls of pausing playing music and be able to answer calls, skip songs, and control the volume. The Bluetooth baseball hat is easy to remove and reinstall so that you can wash your hat. The price of the Bluetooth baseball cap starts from $21.99 and it comes in 3 colors: black, blue, and gray. The gadget has a good rating, 4.4 out of 5 stars from 2,232 ratings. The third gadget on our list of men gift ideas is the magnetic levitating globe. It's a nice home gadget displaying a floating world globe. The globe is floating nicely in air, helped by the magnetic force from bottom and top of the frame. It also has 3 LED beads in the frame that can display purple, pink and cyan colors. According to the producer, it has almost 0 friction force while levitating in air. You can turn the globe by your hand. The 360-degree rotation will last for about 15 to 25 minutes. The globe diameter is 3.5 inch, approximately 9 centimeters, so it is easily held in your hand. This gadget is a cool decor on for your desk or bookshelf. The price of the gadget is $38.99. And it comes in two colors, blue and black. The review score for the magnetic levitating globe is a good one. 4.3 out of 5 stars from 1,948 ratings. Let's check out now the fourth gadget. We have selected a gift idea for an adventurous man. A survival kit, 12-in-1. This is a must-have survival gear and equipment for any adventurous man. The 12-in-1 emergency survival kit contains upgrade survival knife, pocket bellow, wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency blanket, flintstone scraper, flashlight, credit card knife, multi-use spoon fork, carabiner, and all wrapped in nicely into a waterproof box. This camping gadget is the perfect companion to help keep you safe and have peace of mind while you're hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, backpacking, travel or adventures. The box size is 6.49 per 4.13 per 1.9 inch. The price of the survival kit gadget is $34.99. The online rating score for the gadget is a great one. 4.7 out of 5 stars from 7,704 ratings. We arrived at the last gift idea for men, an item from the same category as the previous one. It's a key-shaped pocket multi-tool. This handy tool expertly combines your go-to tools into a beautifully designed device that attaches to your keychain for easy portability. It is only 2.76 inches per 1.15 inches per 0.20 inches, that translates in 70 millimeters per 29 millimeters per 5 millimeters, and weighs only 0.77 ounces. This key-shaped tool is an innovative, compact multi-tool like never seen before. With great engineering that combines everyday, common tools into one little tool that delivers endless capability. Gadget features. Its features include a smoking pipe, 3.2 per 3.3 millimeters bike spoke key, a screwdriver tip that will fit a number 2/3 slotted, number 2 square drive, number 2/3 Phillips, and number 2/3 combinations, Phillips slotted or Phillips square, screw all-in-one bit, imperial and metric closed wrench, 1/4 inch open wrench, 1/4 inch bit driver, scoring tip, serrated edge, can opener, wire stripper, file, imperial, and metric ruler, protractor, bottle opener, multi-head fit driver, and a lanyard hole. This is the perfect gift for any biker, outdoor enthusiast or handyman. The price of the multi-tool is $22.99. Regarding the online rating score, the key-shaped multi-tool has a good score. 4.6 out of 5 stars from 3,835 ratings. Let's check out these 5 amazing gift ideas for him once more. All of them on the same screen. What is your favorite gadget from this video? Leave a comment in the comments section below. Before we wrap this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure the notifications bell is turned on to receive notifications of new videos we launch. You can also view our other amazing product reviews videos you have displayed on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.